Have you ever thought if your job stopped tomorrow, would you be okay? I asked myself this question one day, and the answer scared me. That is when everything changed. So, let me tell you my story. For a long time, my job was my only income every month. I got my salary, I paid my bills, and whatever was left, I spent it. No savings, no wake up plan, no second income, just a salary, money out. And honestly, I thought that was normal. I thought I have a job, I'm fine. But one day I realized if I lose this job tomorrow, I have nothing, zero. That feeling was very scary. That was my wake up moment, and that is when I decided I need more than one income separate. So I started thinking, what can I outside do my job? What do I know? What can I share with people? And I decided to start a YouTube channel, and I had no camera, no fancy setup, just my phone and something to say. The first few videos got very few views, like sometimes 10 views, sometimes 5. I wanted to quit many times, but I kept going because I knew this is not just about money, this is about building something that is mine, something no one can take away. Your job gives you money, but your own work gives you freedom in your life. So here is the one income is very risky. Here is why. Company can close anytime, boss can fire you, economy can change. If your only income stops, what will you do? One income means one point of failure. Okay, your job decides how much you earn, but salary goes up a little. With your own income, the sky is the limit. You are always dependent. When you have only one income, you can never say no to a bad boss, or you a bad job, or you can say a bad job, because you need that money. Extra income gives you the power to choose. So how do you start? Here is four simple extra income you can step out. Start a YouTube channel. Pick any topic, cooking, fitness, tech, motivation. Just start. Even 1000 subscribers can earn you money every month. Freelancing you can do. You can design, write, edit videos, take, go to Fiverr or Upwork, sell your skill. Even a few hours a week can give you extra good money. Sell something online, old stuff. You don't need handmade items, digital products also you can sell. OLX, Instagram, Meesho, many platforms are free to use. And the fourth one, good math. No English, can cook well, teach others online or offline. People always pay for the knowledge. You also know about this. I want to be honest with you. Extra income does not come fast. My YouTube channel took months before I made any money from it. But here is what I learned. Every small step adds. 1000 subscribers become 10,000 subscribers, 10,000 become 1 lakh subscriber, one day becomes 10 million subscribers. The only people who fail are those one who stop. If you keep going, results will come. I will promise you that. Don't wait for the perfect times. Start small. Start now. Your future self will your future self will say to you, thank you. I want to ask you something. What is one thing you are good at, or one skill, one hobby, one thing people ask you for help with? That things right here can become your second income. You just have to start. You don't need a lot of money to start. You don't need a big setup. You just need to take the first step today. Your job pays your bill, your own work pays your future. So that is my story. I stopped depending only one income, and it changed my life completely. Now I want to hear from you. Comment below what is your idea for extra income, just one word or one line, let me know. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe. Every week I share and every day I will share honest tips about my growth and building better life. Your job is not your only option. Start today. So thank you so much guys. Bye bye. See you in the next video.